Welcome to our YouTube channel SAR Civil Services. First question is on screen. The state which does not have a legislative council is Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan. The correct option is D. Rajasthan. The state which have a legislative council are Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Maharashtra. So option D is correct. Second question: in which country was the presidential ruler first born? Yugoslavia, Egypt, Switzerland, United States, America. Correct option is D. United States, America. Question number 3. Who has the real executive power in a parliamentary government? Parliament, Prime Minister, President, bureaucracy. Real executive power, वास्तविक शक्ति. Correct option is B. Prime Minister. Question number 4. Which of the following statements is correct regarding introduction of finance bill? A finance bill is introduced in Rajya Sabha. This is wrong statement. It can be introduced in either House of Parliament. B also is correct. C. It cannot be introduced in Lok Sabha. C is also incorrect. Option D. It is introduced in Lok Sabha. Option D is correct. Question number 5. The chairman of the Public Account Committee of the Parliament is appointed in India by the President of India, by the Prime Minister of India, by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, by the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Correct option would be by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. There are 22 members in Public Account Committee. 15 from Lok Sabha and 7 from Rajya Sabha. Next question: on whose recommendation is the distribution of finance between the center and the state done? Ministry of Finance, Reserve Bank of India, Finance Commission, NABARD. Correct option is the Finance Commission. Question number 7. Who has the constitutional right to declare a scheduled area of any the following geographical areas? Governor, Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President. President has power to declare a scheduled area. Question number 8. The 52nd Amendment of the Constitution deals with defection, reservation, election, protection of minorities. Correct option is A. Defection. Question number 9. How long can the Rajya Sabha Act hold up the finance bill sent by the Lok Sabha for consideration? 1 month, 1 year, 7 days, 14 days. Correct option is D. 14 days. Rajya Sabha can hold finance bill up to 14 days. Question number 10. He presided over the first day session of the Indian Constituent Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. V.R. Ambedkar, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Correct option is D. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Next question is on screen. Who was the elected president of the Constituent Assembly? V.R. Ambedkar, Sachidanand Sinha, Rajendra Prasad, yes, Radhakrishnan. Correct option is C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question. Which of the following subjects is included in the Union List of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India? Regulation of labor and safety in mines and oil fields, agriculture, fisheries, public health. Correct option is A. Regulation of labor and safety in mines and oil fields. Question number 13. Who was the chairman of committee on whose recommendation Panchayati Raj was established in India? Ashok Mehta, Dr. Iqbal Narayan, Balwant Rai Mehta, Shivraj Mehta. Correct option is C. Balwant Rai Mehta. Question number 14. The vacancy of president should be filled in 90 days, in 6 months, in 9 months, in a year. Correct option is B. In 6 months. Question number 15. Under which article of the Indian Constitution the President can withhold his assent to any force passed by the both House of Parliament? Article 63, Article 108, Article 109, Article 111. Correct option is D. Article 111. Question number 16. An accused of an offence cannot be compelled to be a witness against himself. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides? In Article 20, in Article 21, in Article 22, in Article 74. Correct option is A. In Article 20. In Article 20, tells us an accused of an offence cannot be compelled to be a witness against himself. Question number 17. The consolidated fund of the state is operated by the governor of state, the finance minister of the state, the chief minister of the state, none of these. Correct option is A. The governor of the state. Question number 20. Question number 18. Who among the following was never the Speaker of Lok Sabha? K.V.K. Sundaram, Baliram Bhagat, Hukum Singh, G.S. Dhillon. K.B.K. Sundaram was never the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Thanks.